Have you ever felt like your efforts to help others are just too small to actually matter? An old man was walking along a beach that was covered with thousands of stranded starfish dying in the sun. In the distance, he saw a young girl picking up starfish one by one and throwing them back into the ocean. The man walked up to her and said, "Little girl, what are you doing? There are thousands of starfish here, and miles of beach. You can't possibly save them all. You are not making a difference." The girl listened politely, bent down, picked up another starfish, and threw it gently into the crashing waves. She turned to the old man and smiled. It made a difference to that one. We often get paralyzed thinking we have to change the entire world to be valuable. But true impact happens one small act of kindness at a time. Never let the scale of a problem stop you from helping. Subscribe to the channel for more daily motivation. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more contents daily.